Hey, what's up, Pokey peeps? So today I'm doing something that is probably not that smart, and I'm in a public setting doing it. As you can hear, there are people around me. I am at the pool at the hotel that I am staying at, and I am doing a challenge video again. You guys, if you haven't seen my last one, it was the hot noodle challenge.
All around me are familiar faces.
And yeah, I am doing a challenge that was brought to me by Fur. If you're not following him, yeah, no, you're probably following him because he's great. But if not, I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description, and you guys better go check out his video. I'm super excited for it. And anyways, let's get to the name of the challenge. It's in the title, but it is the Fire and Ice Challenge. And I am so scared because look at these things right here. Oh my god. They're habaneros, and I have a few of them. I'm hoping that I don't have to eat all of them because my mouth is going to feel terrible if I do. But we'll see. I have with me the Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection box, which I had to hunt this box down. There were none at Walmart, none at Target, and where I'm at, there's a lot of Targets and Walmarts. I couldn't find one. And there's also a lot of GameStops. There was only one GameStop that had one box, and this is it. So hopefully it's got some good stuff in it, and hopefully I don't have to bite any of these peppers. The rules are that every time you get a dud box, you have to take a bite of an habanero pepper. That's where the fire comes in for the Fire and Ice Challenge. The ice is going to be in a separate video because we don't know who's going to have won or lost yet because we have to check out each other's videos. But whoever loses has to do the ice bucket challenge. And I think everybody's kind of seen that from when the whole ALS research was going on. Everybody did it, everybody got challenged to it. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So hopefully I don't have to eat too many of these peppers, and hopefully I don't have to have a bucket of ice water dumped on me. But yeah, we're gonna get into this box. I think I've done enough rambling. I hope that Fur does very well. I wish him luck, mostly because I think habaneros are extremely hot. I've never actually had like a raw habanero before, which these, I had such a hard time finding them here. I guess people don't eat spicy stuff? I don't know. But they have like a bad spot on them. Ew. Hopefully I don't have to eat that one. But we know how my luck goes on this channel. So this box is really, really cool. It has the little background, which is gorgeous. And I hope that like the camera is like picking everything up. I don't know, because it's a little bit later and the lighting is not that great outside right now. Like the sun's behind a building. The kid. So cute sounding. Okay, so we have our oversized card. I'm so worried things are gonna like blow away and into the pool, but it's incredible. You guys know I like the oversized cards, but it's got Tornadus, Thunderous, and Landorus on it. And it's incredible. I have a baggie right here that I'm just going to kind of stick stuff in, and I'll deal with it afterwards. It's like my way of preventing things from flying away. It comes with a base Sun and Moon, a Crimson Invasion, a Forbidden Light, an Evolution, another Forbidden Light, and a Guardian's Rising. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Hopefully they're not bad and I don't have to take 6 bites of an habanero pepper. I'm pretty sure those are extremely hot. I don't actually know. I've had them in things, but never like just eaten them. And we have our cool pin. It's incredible. Can't wait to add that to my board when we get home from this trip, because I am pretty burnt out. And coin as well as our, ooh, it's so windy. I'm so afraid that it's gonna blow away. We got our Tornadoes GX, and I can't tell if things are in frame or not, but forgive me. I am not able to see what I'm doing. Okay, and then we have a Thunderous GX, which is super incredible as well. Oh, I'm just sticking them in that bag and hoping that nothing flies away. Alright, I have a LaCroix. I think people like really hate these right now. I really like them. This one's apple cranberry. I'm not sure how well fizzy water is going to be at helping with these things, but it's what I've got right now. I don't have any milk. Alright, so I'm not going to do any pattern. We're just going to get into them, and we're going to start with our Guardians Rising. Oh, you guys, wish me luck. I'm looking at these peppers. At least they're not like ghost peppers or anything like that, but it's still probably not going to be super enjoyable. Alright, Mystic Code cards to the side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is Guardians Rising. And let's go through them. I can't see what I'm doing, but we got Hakamo'o, a Field Blower. I'm just gonna sit them down there. A Gotharita. We got Nose Pass. A Wimpod. And I don't know if you guys can see these. Oh, Goomy. A Wheelmer. Beldum. We got a reverse Brooklet Heel. I am so nervous. And a dud pack is basically if you get a regular rare, then you got a dud. And do I have to bite? Do I have to bite? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. How hot are these? I don't know. I'm around people, so I've gotta like be sort of normal. Okay. Oh. I don't know if to take a big bite or I'm just gonna take like medium-sized bite. Medium-sized bite, okay? We're after coolers up. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Okay, it's the seeds that are really hot. You know what? I'm gonna try not to drink anything. I'm making this more difficult on myself, but that was a pretty good size bite. Okay. That's hot. Okay. It's nothing like those noodles though. It's like maybe like the first bite of those noodles. But we got Forbidden Light. Next up. Next up. Next up. Okay, set our code card to the side. Message me on Twitter if you want one of these. I think I only did three cards to the front last time, and it's definitely 4 for Sun and Moon. Alright, we have an energy. I was wondering why the energy was at the back. It's Pupa. My mouth is really hot right now. Zygarde. Mysterious Treasure. You know, the pepper's actually pretty good though. Le Bebe. Binnacle. Magnemite. Cubone. Bunnelby. We got a reverse Malamar. If I get a reverse rare, do I still have to bite the pepper? I don't know. I know some people don't really consider that to be like a hollow rare. So if I don't get a hollow rare, I'll still bite the pepper. Okay? Uh-oh. Oh no, my cards are trying to fly away. But we got a, not reverse, a hollow Garchomp, so I don't have to bite. Yes. Good, because my mouth is hot right now. And I need to stick these cards in here because they're trying to fly away. Oh! Oh, okay. Whew. Next up, we have an Evolutions. My lips are kind of hot right now. Evolutions usually does not bear very good pulls for me personally, so let's see, we got 1, 2, and 3 to the front, and my hair and everything is just everywhere right now. We got a Metapod, Professor Oak's Hint, Coughing, Tangela, Brittata, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag. I want to get in the pool so bad. A reverse Caterpie, and okay, we got a Mewtwo. But it's not hollow, so you know what that means, guys. And gals. And everything else. We get to eat more of this pepper. Do I just bite the whole thing? Just bite the rest of it? I think why not? Now that I know how hot they are. Okay. Oh, that's a good bite. I have a little mouth. This kind of pepper looks weird. That's really hot. Oh my god. It doesn't taste very good, to be honest. Oh. The seeds are stuck in my teeth. Like it's stuck between one of the gaps that my braces left. Oh. I keep going to get my drink. I don't think that's a rule or stipulation, but that's something that I'm just doing to myself because I don't know, apparently I hate myself. We have Forbidden Light. Next up. This is not a very good box for me. Oh god, I hope Fur is having much better luck than I am. Much better luck. Forbidden Light, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have Energy. Playful. Crash or Wake. Yourself. Esper. Execute, Scatterbug, Honedge, Helioptile, a reverse Noibat, and a non-hollow Barbaracle. I think I have to drink. These are hot. No, you know what? I'm gonna keep trying. I have a seed stuck in my teeth though. I got it out. Okay. My eyes are watering. This pepper does not look good. It's got like spots all over it. Same with this one. I don't want to eat that part right there. Ew, I just poked my finger through it. I'm gonna peel that off. I'm trying not to like, I have glasses on. I was gonna say I'm trying not to shoot any of like the pepper juice in my eye. Okay. Alright, I peeled off the bad part. So I'm just gonna bite more of this part off. This is rough. We have 2 more packs to go. This is rough. Not enjoyable. I'm not enjoying this. Plus I feel like a fool. Whew. There's other people out here. We're gonna open our Crimson Invasion. My nose is running. Oh man, I really hope Fur's having better luck. I feel like I'm gonna have to have some ice water dumped on me. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Alright, Energy, Minchino, Mischievous, Alolan Geodude, Swinub, Jigglypuff, Houndour, Pikachu, Skiddo, Reverse Stuffle. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? It's a non-hollow Mismagius. Why? Oh, these peppers, like the seeds, because they're not cooked, are really hard. Okay, with 1 more pack, I can do this. Oh, Bob. Whew. Oh man. Oh my gosh. It's the base, sun, and moon. Okay. I want to get this over with. This is not a good box for me. If you're opening these at home, I hope that you're having better luck. I'm sending you good vibes. Please send some to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Good energy. Energy switch. Tour cap. Oh, I feel like I did flamethrower at my face right now. Crushing hammer. Litten. Psyduck. Bomb sweet. Lillipup. Dratini. A I can't talk. A reverse Toxapex. Do I still have to bite the pepper? It is not hollow Brexish. Does this save me? I think I told myself that it wasn't going to. Do I dare? Whatever. Okay. Okay. That was a little bite. Okay. I had to bite a pepper on like all but one pack. Oh my god! Looks like I'm gonna be doing the ice challenge. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh, my mouth. Oh, I can't wait to go jump in this pool, you guys. Oh my god. My mouth. Oh man. Okay, you guys, go check out First channel. Go check out his video. See who won. I can't wait to watch his. I'm gonna go. I kinda wish I was doing the ice water challenge because I would just like dump it on myself and just drink it. Right now, this fizzy water's not doing anything. But you guys will see that very soon because I'm sure I'm gonna have to do it. Let's go check out his video. I'm gonna go. These are not fun. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Oh my god, my tongue feels swollen. I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. Oh.